What is up, you guys? It is your boy PrettyBoyFloyd, and in today's video I'm going to be doing some really dumb shit. It's going to involve this blender right here, and I'm going to plug it in if I can find an outlet. And well, I guess I'm just going to move it in a little bit closer. So if you haven't already read the title, I'm just going to be putting some random ass food in my hair. I'm going to start off with 1 egg, maybe 2 eggs. And then I'm going to go inside my pantry. I'm just going to be looking for random shit. Now this is some really dumb shit. I don't recommend anybody to do this. I'm just looking through my pantry and refrigerator and just looking for random stuff to put in my hair. Pumpkin puree, Welch's fruit snacks, the best fruit snacks ever, but I'm not going to put that in my hair. Peanut butter, and probably not a good idea. Maple syrup, I mean, for the views, yeah. Alright, we're gonna do that. Some house Italian dressing. Let me read the ingredients first, make sure this is cool. My hair's not gonna fall out, so alright. Some Greek Italian dressing, alright. Yeah, let's do that. No, maybe not. Yeah, maybe, yeah, let's do it. Alright. So gonna go inside my refrigerator, peep the triceps. Let's see. Mustard. Might sting my eyes. Mayo, that's definitely a good thing to put inside your hair. So yeah. Applesauce. It's got mold in it, so I don't think so. Yogurt. So I got Greek yogurt and I got vanilla non-fat yogurt. Of course, both of them are non-fat. I don't really think it matters. It's going inside my head. Okay, no, because I was trying to decide which one. Greek has more protein, but I think I want my hair to smell like vanilla, so we're gonna go with vanilla, non-fat yogurt. Still looking for some stuff. Butter. Oh yeah, no, it's that reduced calorie butter too. I mean, it's low on fat. It's only got 7 grams of fat in there, 45 calories. I know you guys really don't care. So ketchup. Randomly just like, fuck it, why not? Just put some ketchup in there. You guys haven't noticed this is a fucking joke. Please don't do this shit. One of you guys are gonna do this shit. I just know it. But we're gonna start off with 2 eggs, pumpkin in a can. It doesn't matter if it's in a can or if it's real pumpkin. I really don't think there's a difference. Maple syrup and Greek Italian dressing, house Italian dressing, mayo, the vanilla non-fat yogurt, some butter, and some ketchup. Yeah. Also for health, I guess to make me feel a little bit better, I'm gonna be putting some olive oil in there and also some hair conditioner, just to make this hair mask not totally fuck up my hair. So yeah, let's just get started. As you can see, I'm very nervous. I'm backing up, and I'm just like, fuck it, just do it. Just jump in. Let's do it. But first, I gotta find a can opener. No, fuck it, I'm too lazy. I'm just gonna start off with the yogurt first. So I'm gonna dump this yogurt in, about 2 tablespoons in there, and then open up the pumpkin. I'm gonna put another 2 tablespoons in there, and then the mayo, I'm gonna put about 3 tablespoons. You guys know I'm bullshitting with the tablespoons and the measurements. I'm actually just pouring shit in there. Maple syrup, the 2 eggs, ketchup. What the fuck? Olive oil. Just throw it in there. Who cares? House Italian dressing. The Greek. I actually think I skipped the Greek dressing because I couldn't open it. As you can see, I'm struggling with it. So I think I skipped the Greek dressing. Put some butter in there. Gonna look for the right button on the blender. I think they all do the same damn thing. I don't know why there's like 10 buttons on my blender. I really don't know why. Yeah, this smoothie's thick, so I gotta shake it up. Yep. Put some hair conditioner in there. There's a banana, like a very ripe banana. I was just like, fuck it, put a banana in there. I saw it. It was going bad, so I was like, yeah, let's do it. And yeah, this is finished one. Smell test. Yeah, I almost threw up. Definitely almost threw up. But that's alright though. That's alright. Gonna take a mason jar, trendy. Oh, I think I forgot something. Perfect. Oh, yeah. Wouldn't be a hair mask without this. The Aztec Healing Clay Mask. You know what I'm saying? You got to. Alright, so I'm going to add that clay mask in there and we should be good to go. Alright. As you can see, I'm definitely thinking about this shit. Whether or not my hair is going to fall out or not. But fuck it, let's do it.
Alright, first your boy got to get right. And here we go. Let's get down to business. Psych. Y'all niggas actually thought about to do this? Hell nah. Nah, I'm just playing. We actually about to do this. So here we go. The first Yep, all up in my eyes.
Alright, so I'm going to fully saturate my hair. I'm going to leave it in here for about 20 minutes. Now, you do want to make sure that you do have a towel on deck because this thing gets really, really messy. So, yeah, make sure you got that. But I'm just going to do whatever in these 20 minutes. I'm going to look at myself, make sure everything is straight. I'm going to seriously regret me doing this because at this point I'm thinking my hair is going to fall out. So yeah, I'm just cleaning up a little bit and started to feel a little bit dizzy here. I don't know if it was the hair mask or was it the low carbs? Probably low carbs. But I'm going to wash my hair out fully. You really want to make sure that you wash this thing out. Again, I'm talking like you guys are actually going to do this. Please do not do this. But yeah, I'm just going to fully wash out my hair. As you can see, I still got some stuff in there, so I'm going to wash that out real quick. And yeah, this is what it looks like with the hair mask washed out. I'm going to put in some curl cream and some curl custard just to, I guess, make it look better. I don't necessarily think that it absolutely needs it, but it does help. So yeah, I'm just going to do that, shake my hair. Yeah, you guys know the routine. I'm just gonna put shit in there and just shake my head, and yeah. So here's the curl custard from Fantasia's hair care line. Just gonna put that in there, and I'm gonna show you guys a quick before and after picture of what my hair looks like before this hair mask and afterwards. And as you can see, my hair did improve. Now, I typically like to do natural hair mask, like with food products, but not with the food products that I use in this video. But I do like to use hair mask at least once a week, minus the syrup and minus the other dumb stuff that you do not put in there. But if you guys want me to make a video on a food mask, please comment that down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And I think that's about it. All right, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.